Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, gagawin po natin ang mag-process ng ating vaccine certification through online sa DOH po na website. Kasi may destination po ngayon, LGU destination po pag nagbiyahe ka, nag-flight ka, na naghihingi po sila ng vaccine certificate bukod po doon sa vaccine card. So, sa inyong browser, type mo lang yung kanilang website address na https://vax.doh.gov.ph, then enter. So, ito na po siya yung interface nila. So, to request for a vaccination certificate, click continue button. So, click mo lang siya. And then, I have read and agreed to the privacy statement. Check mo lang and then continue. Before proceeding, please answer this question. Were you vaccinated more than 48 hours? Kung lagpas na ng 48 hours yung vaccination mo. So, just answer it yes or no. So, for me, sa client ko is yes. And then click mo lang okay and then next. Please enter information below. Ensure that they match the details of your vaccination card. So input mo lang yung last name, first name, middle name, and then birth date, and after sa fill up mo is click mo lang yung next. So vaccination details. Enter vaccination details. Only fill out the doses given in the Philippines lang. So, if your vaccine is Johnson & Johnson, so i-click mo ito. And then, provide kung saan po kayo nag-vaccine and then date. Kung may additional pang na vaccination kasi yung iba may booster, so dito kayo sa additional dose vaccination. And then, date nito sa additional dose vaccination and then, i-click mo lang yung verify vaccination information. So, here is the next page. So, please review the details you entered and click continue button if you wish to proceed. And then continue. Please enter the 7 characters shown below and type exactly what you see in the screen. So, may ano po sila. Ito, isusulat mo dito sa baba. So, ayun siya. And then, pagkatapos natin na-enter yung ano po, yung parang code niya. So, record found. Ito na po siyang lumabas. Record found. If your details below are correct, click Generate Vaccination Certificate. If there are incorrect details or no record is found for some doses, please submit an update record request below. Thus, with no record indicate that your inputs did not match any database record or that your vaccination LGU has yet to upload your vaccination record. So, kung hindi pa nakita dyan, baka hindi pa naka-upload yung LGU mo. Hindi pa sila nag-a-update sa system. So, after ma-check yung details, kung tama siya, click mo lang tong please tick if you intend to use the certificate for travel purposes. Enter your password number in the field. So, enter nyo po dito yung passport number. So, let's say walang passport number, so any ID na lang. So, like for example, yung record mo ay hindi pa nakikita dito. So, dito sa baba, if one of your records was not found, so, click mo lang itong update record. So, ayun na siya. Congratulations! You have successfully generated your vaccination certificate. You can download, print, or simply take a screenshot of your certificate QR code. Download vaccination certificate. So, ayan po siya. So, download natin. Okay na po siya. So, yan po ang tutorial kung paano po mag-generate ng vaccine certification online. So, thank you for watching everyone, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for my next video tutorial. So, thank you and God bless everyone.